Are you tired of feeling like your money is just disappearing? Do you open your bank statement each month only to be met with a sinking feeling, wondering where all your hard-earned cash went? If you've ever wished for a magic wand to instantly reveal hidden subscriptions, negotiate your bills, and just generally get your financial life in order, then you've probably heard of Rocket Money. This app, formerly known as Truebill, has been making waves in the personal finance world, promising to help you save more and spend less. But does it actually deliver on those promises? Is Rocket Money the financial wizard it claims to be, or is it just another app cluttering your phone? Today, we're diving deep into a comprehensive Rocket Money review, breaking down everything you need to know, the good, the bad, and whether it's truly worth your time and money. We're going to cover its core features, explore its premium offerings, discuss its pricing structure, and even look at how it stacks up against some of its biggest competitors. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of whether Rocket Money is the right tool to help you achieve your financial goals. So, if you're ready to take control of your money and potentially unlock some serious savings, stick around. Let's start with the big picture. What exactly is Rocket Money? At its heart, Rocket Money is a personal finance management app designed to give you a holistic view of your financial life. Think of it as a central hub where you can link all your bank accounts, credit cards, savings, and even investment accounts. Once connected, Rocket Money goes to work, analyzing your spending habits, identifying recurring expenses, and providing insights into where your money is actually going. One of its most heavily advertised features, and arguably its biggest draw, is its ability to identify and help you cancel unwanted subscriptions. We all have them, those streaming services we signed up for during a free trial and forgot about, or that fitness app we used for a week and then abandoned. These seemingly small charges can quietly chip away at your budget, adding up to hundreds, even thousands, of dollars over a year. Rocket Money aims to shine a spotlight on these budget vampires and empower you to cut them loose. Beyond subscription management, Rocket Money also offers budgeting tools, spending insights, net worth tracking, and even credit score monitoring. It's designed to be an all-in-one solution for improving your financial health. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the pros of Rocket Money. First and foremost, the subscription tracking and cancellation is genuinely a standout feature. This isn't just a gimmick, it's incredibly effective. Rocket Money scans your linked accounts for recurring charges and presents them in an easy-to-understand list. You can then see exactly what you're paying for, how much, and when. The real magic happens when you identify a subscription you no longer want. With the premium version, Rocket Money can actually cancel these subscriptions on your behalf. They'll even get on the phone, wait on hold, and navigate the cancellation process, saving you valuable time and the frustration of dealing with customer service. This alone can save users a significant amount of money annually, often far more than the cost of the premium membership itself. Secondly, Rocket Money boasts an excellent user interface and ease of use. The app is visually appealing, intuitive, and incredibly straightforward to navigate. Connecting your accounts is a simple process, thanks to integrations with services like Plaid, which ensures secure linking without Rocket Money storing your login credentials directly. The dashboards are clean and present information clearly, making it easy to see your financial situation at a glance. Even if you're not a tech-savvy person, you'll likely find Rocket Money very accessible. Third, the bill negotiation service is a powerful tool. Imagine Rocket Money calling your internet provider, cable company, or cell phone carrier and negotiating a lower rate for you. That's exactly what this service offers. If they succeed in lowering your bills, they typically take a percentage of the savings, usually 30 to 60% of the first year's savings. While that might sound like a lot, remember, it's money you wouldn't have saved otherwise, and it requires no effort on your part. This can lead to substantial long-term savings on your recurring monthly expenses. Fourth, the comprehensive financial overview and net worth tracking are highly valuable. By linking all your accounts, Rocket Money provides a consolidated view of your finances. You can see your total income, expenses, assets, and debts, giving you a clear picture of your net worth. This feature is particularly useful for tracking your financial progress over time and understanding your overall financial health. It can even track non-liquid assets like vehicles if you input them manually. Fifth, customizable budgeting and spending insights are strong. While not as granular as some dedicated budgeting apps, Rocket Money allows you to create budgets for different spending categories and track your progress against them. It automatically categorizes transactions, and you can set up alerts to notify you when you're nearing your spending limits. This helps you stay on track and identify areas where you might be overspending. The visual charts and graphs make it easy to digest your spending patterns. Sixth, the credit score monitoring feature adds another layer of financial management. Rocket Money provides access to your credit score and a breakdown of the factors influencing it. While it might not be as in-depth as a dedicated credit monitoring service like Credit Karma, it's a convenient way to keep an eye on your credit health within the same app you use for budgeting. It can also send you alerts for important changes to your credit report. Finally, the automated savings goals are a great passive way to build up your reserves. You can set specific savings goals, like a down payment for a house or a vacation, and Rocket Money can automatically transfer small amounts of money from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. This set-it-and-forget-it approach can be incredibly effective for those who struggle with consistent saving. However, no app is perfect, and Rocket Money has its cons as well. The biggest drawback is arguably the limited functionality of the free version. While Rocket Money advertises a free version, many of the features that make the app truly powerful, like the one-click subscription cancellation, bill negotiation, premium budgeting tools, and credit score monitoring, are locked behind the premium paywall. The free version offers basic account linking and spending tracking, but it's really the premium edition where Rocket Money shines. This can be a point of frustration for users expecting a fully featured experience without paying. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.